Yeah, hi guys. So in this video, we will see how we can make video calls from Jiyyo website to an app and vice versa. The same technique will work to have video calls from website to website as well. So first of all, we will log in into jiyyo.com using the credentials. You have to get these credentials by registering on jiyyo.com. So after you log in, you see this dashboard. Go to this referral network, patients referred, and here are the patients which have been referred by you. Okay. And similarly, here patients referred to you. Okay. So let's say you want to make a video call to this hospital MGU MST Jaipur 3. Okay. They have referred this patient, to you, and you click on this green button. It begins the call. Okay. So I have this mobile where I'm getting the call, and it is an app. Okay. So I'll cancel this thing. So this is how this will work. Secondly, I'll show you how this account can get a call. So I'm punching in numbers from my mobile app, and you'll see a call there. See, you got the call, and you can accept it, and this is how it simply works. Okay. So thank you.